Okay, so we have some different information up here: transactions, asset information, and our chart of accounts. And so we are going to first journalize the transactions completed during the current year on page 1 of our cash payments journal. And then they're reminding us we don't need to put in C for the check number. So our first one is January 4th. We paid cash for a patent. So our date will be January 4th. Account title is patent. Check number is 532. And then it will be a general debit of $18,000 and a cash credit of $18,000. Then on January 6th, we paid cash for a trademark of $30,000. So our date is January 6th. I'm guessing trademark is our account, but I'm going to go and just double check. Yep. Okay, so trademark. Check 538. General debit of $30,000 and cash credit of $30,000. Okay, now we're going to record our amortization expenses for December 31st on page 1 of our journal. And so for this, let's see, what day did it say? Okay, so December 31st. And then our first account title will be amortization expense. We won't have a document number. So now we have to do some calculating. And so let's see, we're doing the patent first. And so we take our original cost, which was $18,000, and our salvage value, unless they tell us different, is going to be 0. So we see it's 0 there. So 18,000 minus 0 is still 18,000. Okay, so going back here, so calculating our 18,000, and then we are dividing it by our useful life, so divided by 9, and so then we will get 2,000 for amortization debit. Line 3, our account is going to be patent, and our credit will be $2,000. Then our next line, December 31st, and then account title is amortization expense. And we'll go through the same process. So we'll come up here. Our cost for the trademark was $30,000. Salvage value is 0, so still 30,000. And then dividing it by the useful life, so divided by 14. And we are going to get $2,142.86. Second line, our account will be trademark. And then same thing for the credit, $2,142.86. Okay, so just coming back on here real quick because I wanted to check my answers because I wasn't totally sure. And it looks like for amortization expense, when they did that math, they actually did it for the 10 years. So as I looked back in the book, I wasn't seeing any real clear-cut answer for how you would choose. So unless I read through again and find things, I guess for patent, plan on using the estimated useful life, and something for trademark, use the legal life. So before you continue on, change the second 2 numbers to 3,000.